See, this here is Boo Thang. She got that name because she's kind of got that face, you know. But she was born right at Halloween in 20, I think. Yep, but this is Boo Thang. Tell him something, Boo Thang. Yeah. See, it's a big family here, big circle. This is a mineral block. God, Boo Thang! God! Did you say that? They get defensive over their sock block. When I first started, that pile was way out there, and when I was scraping up all the turds and hay, this from the hay ring, I saw it get drug in there, and I said, oh, I'll get it later. I'm not gonna lie, I've been nervous the whole time slinging turds, because if this hit one of those beaters, it came back in the cab and hit me in the neck, no more real hard work. Woo! I'm glad that thing turned up. All right, we got a full load now. It's supposed to be 8.5 tons. I don't know, but it's a lot. So we got this gate down, keep it off the beaters. The idea is we got to get it where we want it in the field, and then we start turning these beaters on, and they'll start flinging. Then we'll lift our gate up, turn our chain on, and it'll start bringing that manure slash dirt slash the old hay and all that good natural fertilizer to the beaters. And then after we get going, it'll start slinging it out. And then with this load, we'll probably make a down and back pass. I like to lay it on thick. Try to get rid of this stuff. We ain't got but another load or two to go. So here's to hoping nothing breaks. What I love about natural fertilizer is it just grows all sorts of things. Even ice house. By the way, I don't drink ice house.